Alcohol addiction, a solution. With the increase of binge and underage drinking, are we heading for problems of an epidemic scale? Is the fun and free living going to come back and haunt us in the not-so-distant future? Well, it is certainly possible, as diabetes, liver failure, and so many other physical ailments can be helped along by bad drinking habits. So why are we experiencing problems like this in the 21st century, at the beginning of the information age, and more importantly, how can we change bad drinking habits or deal with alcoholism? Well, let's start by saying that binge drinking and alcoholism are two different subjects, however the first can lead quite easily into the latter. There are many reasons why more and more people today create bad habits of addictions around alcohol. It could be down to peer pressure, problems at home, depression, or avoidance, to name but a few. Drinking sometimes becomes a simply and easy escape for the drinker that just wants to feel different and maybe even just distress. At some point, they usually start to realize that their answer is not in the bottom of a glass. However, usually by this point the addiction has set in and taken its grip on its victim. Once the action has made itself at home, it then just becomes so incredibly difficult for the sufferer to change the habit by themselves. There are many ways for a person suffering at the hands of alcoholism to get the help that they so desperately need. In my clinic and Trough My products, I help people to beat their addiction with hypnosis and self-hypnosis. I have found this to be a great approach as it deals with the part of your brain that we refer to as your subconscious mind. This is the part of your brain that holds all of the information about your habits, beliefs, and the part that ultimately makes you. Hypnosis simply works to reprogram this part of your mind to get you the results that you both desire and deserve in an easy and straightforward way that is very empowering. If you are suffering with an addiction to alcohol at the moment and would like to resolve it or just cut down, then my recommendation to you would be to start with a hypnosis download or maybe a self-hypnosis book. If you are really serious about gaining control, then start today. I wish you the best of luck and success.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.